Some of the new arrivals this week, the 1970 AMC AMX. It's got to be the shortest name for a car ever.
It is.
That's so cool.
That's right. 3 letters. 6 letters.
6 letters.
That's it.
And a space.
That's all you need.
That's all you need. Matador Red over black, 48,874 actual miles on this car. Long-term ownership, but it's got an AACA senior first and a Grand National win. That's unusual for an AMX. I don't think I've ever seen one with the AACA awards. It's got the correct 360 cubic inch 4-barrel V8 and a correct Borg-Warner T10 4-speed manual transmission. This is a muscle car that a lot of us growing up had no idea existed.
Just ignored it.